Yes, good morning, people. Trust we are good, and I hope this video meets you well on this beautiful day. Okay, so I'm gonna be running us on the step by step, like practically like the A to Z, every single bit that you need to know from your startup as an agent to your working flow as an agent on E and J. All right. So now that we are now an agent, please, this is what you will pass on to your friends and colleagues that come on board that are new for one or two things they need to know so that they can get started and start doing on their own without disturbing you as such. So if you look at this video, I make sure that I cycle the things you need to touch, look at them very well and pay attention. You can note them down so that after one or two try, then you can get used to it or you'll be used to it. So as an agent or a confirmed agent, you see, you know how to get into your dashboard, you log in. Then if you look at this picture, it's actually showing how you can actually get your invite code or your unique code that you can pass to your friends. You can see you can either get it from the home page where you can click recruitment, or you get it from accounts. Account is by the downside of the right hand downside, so you can see recruitment. So you touch there and it's going to open. Then you see copy, you copy it, then you go to your message, paste it there and send it to your friends. So when they touch the link, it's going to open like this. Some don't open fully, but by the time it opens, make sure you have updated browser that can open everything. If it's not updated, then you can update it. So if you look at this form, it's showing you the number. You put the phone number, then the phone number is usually the 10-digit phone number without the first zero. All right, without the first zero. Then you put a password you can remember, like 6 digits and above. It has to be 6 digits and above. You repeat the same thing. Then, of course, the link, by the time you touch the link, the unique code will be there by itself. Then you can now touch send. By the time you touch send, they're going to send you an OTP, a 4-digit OTP code will be sent to you, to your registered, that number you use. An SMS will be sent to you, so that number must be in a phone. All right, so you put the 4 digits verification code, then you touch sign up. By the time you touch sign up, then this is the page, you know, your login page, your dashboard. That's the home page. You see everything there. Then after that, you successfully register. Then the first thing you must do as a new person, please, let's teach our people this. The first thing you must do is to set your withdrawal password. Your withdrawal password, you need to set it. Now, if you touch that withdrawal password under accounts, you will see withdrawal password by the downside. So you put your phone number, of course, without the first zero. Then you set your withdrawal password and you confirm it again. Once you confirm it, then you touch the send. They will send you another verification code. You put it in. And if the verification code is not coming up, that's due to network. All right. The same thing with when you're signing up. If it's not coming up, you can change your phone number if you have another, or you just wait a while and you do it again. Then once you put your verification code, then you confirm. After you do that, the next thing for you to do is to add your bank details. All right. By the time you go there, according to the picture you see, so you touch it and it's going to open. Card holder's name is the name on your account that you're putting. Then you select the bank you're using. If you touch the bank, it's going to show you a list of banks. If your bank is not listed, please try and open one that is listed. Okay. All right, then you put your bank account, then your phone number as usual without the first zero. Then you put your withdrawal password. You see why we have to set up the withdrawal password first. Then you say save. After that, the third thing you must do is to fill up your information, because if you don't fill up your information, you can't recharge. So you have to fill up your information. How do you do that? You go to home. From the picture you can see touch home, touch recharge. Then you see information. The information, put your full name as it is, then put your email address as it is, then put your phone number without the first zero, of course. Then you save it. After that, you've done all of this, these are the main thing you must do in order for you to recharge. Then before you recharge, now this page is for the products, the various one product that we have on ANJ. So you go through them, look at them, and then know the one you want to go for. The dollar rate is 772. So do your calculation so that you know what you are paying. Please always pay the exact amount, or you pay a little bit above, so that you won't have issues. All right. So by the time you are ready, you're not decided that, okay, this is the one you want to go for. Then you come to the home page where you can see recharge there. Then you go there. Once you touch the recharge, you can see it's saying enter amount. That amount means the Naira equivalent. So you put the exact amount that you want to buy the product. So once you put the exact amount, then you can see the mode of payment. You can see KB Pay and Q Pay. So either of them you select, it works. But if you select anyone and it doesn't bring out the details, please go back and select the other one. It's going to bring out. The KBP always show us, which is always come with a narration code, which you must copy. Now, if you look at the other page, you will see that's the KBP interface. You see it's going to show you the bank name, the bank recipient number name, the account number, the amount you're paying. You have to pay the exact amount, like I said. Then you have to pay, you have to copy the narration code into your bank app. Then by the time you're done, that's just like you see. So by the time you're ready to pay, you minimize this page, this account details page. Always minimize it, don't close it. Because if you see at the top, you have a limited time to make your payment successfully. All right. So you don't close it, you minimize it, because you're going to come back after you copy the account number. Then come to your bank app, whatever bank app you're using. Please make sure you use bank app or you use POS agents so that they can help you make the payment successfully. Please never you use USSD code, because USSD code will not help you to put the necessary information that is required. So always use the bank app. Whatever bank you're using, use the app. So by the time you select the bank name, put the account number, it's going to bring out the name, make sure it corresponds, then put the amount. Then you can see remark. On other banks is either description, narration, or purpose. So what you put under there, if you are using the KBP, you will see they put narration code. Copy the code and put it in that your narration or remark or purpose. Then you can see after a successful payment, you can see the code and the details of whom you paid to and your name and everything, detailed information as proof of payment. So always screenshot your proof of payment in case it is needed. So you can see the remark code there. That's what is needed to trace your payment. All right. So after you make a successful payment, then you come back to the company site where you open the details. So you now put your name. You can see the number 4 option there. You put a sender's name. Sender's name is the name that is on your account that you use to pay. And if you are using a POS agent, it is the name on the POS account that you will put there. After which, then you touch submit. After you submit, then you wait for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then after that, you go back. By the time you press your back button 2 to 3 times, it's going to take you back. Then you click back your account. Of course, we know where account is. You click your account. So you click account, the money you pay, the equivalent must have arrived in your recharge wallet. If it's not there within a short period of time, within 5 to 10 minutes, please, is due to network, or you contact your manager for assistance to help you process it. All right. So if the money eventually arrives in your recharge wallet, then you come to this page. That's how to activate your wine or your product. Then you go to the selected wine, just as you see in the picture. You touch recharge and then you touch join project. By the time you do that, it's going to tell you it has been successful. Then you touch OK, it's going to open up. So that is that. So, and again, you can see there is recharge and there is balance. What does that balance mean? Balance means you can actually use the value in your balance. Maybe as you're claiming, maybe it's up to a certain amount, you can actually use what is in your balance to activate or buy a product. All right, so two ways to buy, either through recharge or through balance. Okay, so after that, you've successfully gained your product, then you can follow this picture and you see you touch my order, then you claim your claim every day, touch the get. And while they touch the get helps you to give you your commission on a daily basis, what it's due for you for that particular package. So you can see example, if you have multiple of them, that is how you touch them one after the other. All right, then if you have a bonus or what we call gift code, yeah, like a welcome bonus code or like a referral code or a gift by benevolence. So once that code is given to you, if you look at this picture, this is how it goes. This is the step you use to claim it. You paste it there and you touch claim and you get the required bonus. All right, so now this is our dashboard. This is what we call the dashboard. How do you get to this dashboard? Once you sign in, you click account. Once you click account, it's sign in and it gets you to this place. Now let me explain this place for you. You can see recharge wallet. Recharge wallet is the money you pay and that money will reflect here. So meaning you now have the system currency to use to do whatever you want to do. Then total recharge means the number of packages you activated. That is their value of total recharge is the total amount rather you paid into the company's account. So that's what it is. Then we have a balance wallet. Balance wallet is the money you claim consistently. That's your balance. Yeah. Then total withdrawal. Total withdrawal means the total money you've withdrawn from the system. Yes. Then we have total income. Total income means is the total thing you've claimed, the total money you've collected, including your claim, your agency commission, your referral, your bonuses, your gift, and all of that. So that's what makes up your total income. Then today's income is what you generate or what you claim for that day or what is due to you, and that comprises of your product income, your referral, your gift, and your agency income. All this is what comprises of that. Then agency income is the one you get from those you refer under you. So that's like the 10%, the 6%, and the 2% from your B, C, and D levels. All right. Then total assets. Total asset is the total products you've bought on the or activate on the system of A&J. Then point wallet. Point wallet is proportional. Total assets is proportional to point wallet. And of course, point wallet is the point you use to exchange for point wines. And what is point wine? Of course, point wines are for hard working agents. If you work hard, you meet the requirement, then you can use your point to activate one of those packages or products for yourself as a result of hard working. So if you qualify, then you can go ahead and get that for yourself. So go through the wine category. You can see point wine, then you can read it each by each, then you see the requirements and what you have to do to obtain any of those. So, and here you can see under account, you can see transaction. Transaction is to show you the income that comes in on a daily basis. Then your total recharge, the total money you've put into the system, you can see that under total recharge. Then you can see withdraw. Withdraw means all the money you've withdrawn from the system. So that's how all this interface works. Then on this, of course, in order for you to be successful under E&J, you must have a team. You must build a team. So if you look at this, under this, you can see my team, my agents. Under my agent, it's going to show you the list of people under you, which include your B level, your C level, and your D level. So if you look at the first cycle here by my left hand top right, it's your B level. Now it's showing 31. 31 means total people that use your link to register is 31. Then 21 means total people that have activated a product under you. So all this 21 is my B level from this. So, and from this other side, you can see the total agents, meaning B, C, and D inclusive, are 307. Then the one in cycle, which is 163, means the total people under you that have activated one product or the other. All right, so that is what that entails. Yes, so you can see on the beneath it, you can see your total B level, your total C level, and your total D level. So these are the things. So after which you must have generated or claimed your income, then of course you must withdraw. Is either you withdraw or you do what we call wallet transfer, right? So let me start with withdraw. Withdraw means you want to withdraw the money you generated on the company. So you can see on the home page, you click withdraw. By the time you click withdraw, you can see the interface is going to open. You put in the amount you have. For example, from this picture, you see we have 5.6864. So all you can get from this 5.64 is 5. You have to enter the amount, put 5 there, then touch the Naira space. It's going to show you the equivalent in Naira. Then you put your withdrawal password. If you are withdrawing, please, you can't withdraw 5.64. No, it has to be a whole number, which is 5. So let's take note of that. Then by the time you do that, of course, from your withdrawal, by the time you put 5, for example, whatever the value in Naira is, you will be charged 5% from that. That is the company policy, so we can change that. So let's leave it at that. So at the long run, still is still a bonus to you. So that is that about withdraw. Then you withdraw, you click on withdraw, put your withdrawal password, then you click on withdraw. Then according to the policy of the company, it takes 24 to 48 hours for the money to arrive into your local account. All right. So, and again, we can see what we call a wallet transfer. What does that mean? Wallet transfer means you can actually transfer from your recharge to your balance wallet. Yes. Let me explain further. For example, you've claimed to a point, maybe like this now, you want to activate a higher product, and what you have is not enough in your balance. Remember, I told us we can actually use our balance wallet value to activate a product. So maybe what you have in your balance wallet is not enough. Then all you need to do, instead of recharging the entire amount, just recharge the balance that will come into that your recharge. Then you can now go through this wallet transfer to now transfer what you have in your recharge wallet to add up to your balance wallet. But of course, remember, always do the calculation. 5% will also be charged for wallet transfer. So for example, if 8 is what you need to add up to what is in your balance wallet to buy a particular product, please don't recharge for 8 exactly. Recharge 8 plus, because 5% will be charged. Because if you recharge 8 exactly, by the time they remove the 5%, then what we get to your balance wallet will be 7 point something. So let's do that calculation and understand that. All right. So by the time you do that, you put the money, you put the value, you put the amount you want to transfer from your recharge wallet to your balance wallet, you put it there, then you touch your confirm. It's gonna go instantly. All right. So with this, these are the ways we operate on A&J. So please send this to your friends, to your loved ones, to the new people that don't really understand this thing. With this video, it's an A to Z process of how to operate. So please send it to them, and please make sure you subscribe on this channel so that we can always give you updates as usual. So once the update lands, when I drop a video, you will actually get the notification and you will go and you will see what it is. So please make sure you subscribe. How to subscribe? By the time you click on the link and the video is playing, you will see the YouTube sign. touch it, it's going to open via YouTube. Then you can see the option to subscribe. Then you subscribe. Please send it to your friends, send it to your loved ones, so that they won't have difficulties about these ways to recharge on E&J. Thank you very much. I love you. I see you at the top. Please, let's always make sure we register new people and